Hi everyone, in last video we learned how to look for one particular pattern using search method of RE module. In this video we are going to learn about find all method of RE module. Then we'll see how to use dot to match any character. And last one, if there is any repetition in the pattern, how to minimize that one using curly braces. So all these three things we are going to discuss in this particular video. Now over here we have couple of contact numbers. Let's say I'm trying to find all the numbers which start with 1 and which end with 1. So over here there are two numbers which will satisfy that patterns. These two. Where in the first part we have all 1 and in the last part also all 1. In middle there can be anything. So how to write this pattern? Now you can say first 3 will be 1 and then there is a hyphen and dot will help us which represent any character. So I don't know what is in middle. There are 3 numbers which I don't know, and again last 4 character will be 1. So if I will execute this command, I should get this number and this number. Let's execute this code. And you can see we got these two numbers. One more thing to note over here, that we got all the matching strings over here. However, in search we used to get first matching character along with its position. So find all help us to get all the matching characters in the string. Now let's say looking into this particular pattern, over here you can see we have couple of repetitive things are here. So can we make it little bit shorter? And the answer is yes. Curly braces can help us to remove the repetitive things. So over here we have 3 ones. Now if I'll remove it and use the curly braces, and I can put a number like 3. Now this indicates that there will be 3 ones. Now similarly over here I have 4 ones. So I can use the curly braces and give a number like 4. And for the dots, I can remove it and we have 3 dots here. Let me save this code, and once again let me put one here. After application. All right, now let's execute this code. This time also we should get the same output. So you can see we got the same output over here. This help us to reduce the regex pattern size. All right, thanks for watching.